Hi Jennifers, welcome back to my space. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to brighten up your skin using just one ingredient. Only one ingredient. It is safe, it is effective, and it brightens you up in a matter of days, okay, if you use it correctly. So if this is something that you're interested in, keep watching, and remember to hit that subscription button, like this video, and turn on all the bells so you don't miss any skincare tips from me. So let's go into the video proper. I know a lot of you out there are struggling with hyperpigmentation. You are looking for ways to brighten up your skin, and also you want to use products that are safe, products that will not irritate your skin, and products that will not damage your skin barrier. I know that because I was once there until I found this product, and now that I found this product, I am not going to leave this product ever, because this product has helped me a great deal, okay, and I am willing to show you guys this product today. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now I'm going to be showing you my complete morning routine. All right, so you can use this product in the morning and you can use this product at night as well. Now let's go straight into the video. First of all, I have washed my face with this simple micellar gel wash. If you are a dry skin girly, you should have this in your stash, because this is really hydrating, and I love to use it because it makes my skin, you know, really hydrated, and I love that. After washing your face and making sure that your skin is actually clean and free from dirt, then we are going to go in with my secret product, this particular toner. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner. You guys, this product has done wonders on my skin. Believe me when I say this, I have not seen any product that will match this one, even though this is my first time of using this glycolic acid. Okay, I heard a lot of reviews about this product and I decided to buy it, and you guys, trust me, I did not regret buying this product. This product will work for hyperpigmentation, it will work for textured skin, it's going to work to fade out acne scars, it's going to work to prevent new breakouts. This product is very versatile, You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body as well. You can use it on those areas of your body that you know that you have hyperpigmentation, like the areas of your body that you know that are very dark. You can use it on your elbows, you can use it on your knees, you can use it on your ankles, you can use it on your neck if you have melasma, if you have hyperpigmentation, discoloration from pregnancy or whatever. You can use it on your skin, all over your skin. Just, it's very versatile, and the best part is that it is very mild. Yeah, it's very mild. When I started using this product, I was scared that it's going to be harsh on my skin, but no guys, it's very mild. What I do is I just put a few drops on my cotton pad here, okay, just a few drops, and then I gently wipe my face with it. Can you see what I'm doing? Let me come close so you can see me very well. Don't forget your neck area as well. Can you see? Exactly. After wiping your skin, ensure you wipe your neck like I said earlier. You can also use it on your hands. Remember I said you can use it anywhere, be it your face or your body. You can use it anywhere. And what you should know about it is that you cannot use it every day. Why? Because it contains glycolic acid, which we all know that glycolic acid is an exfoliant. It's a chemical exfoliant. You cannot use it every day, because over exfoliation is going to cause damage to your skin and is going to irritate your skin. So try not to use it every day. I use this product twice in a week. Twice because I have a dry skin. So if you know you have a dry skin, avoid over exfoliation. If you have an oily skin or you have a normal skin, then you can use this product 3 times a week. But if you have a dry skin, please use it only 2 times a week. Give it time to work. It is not magic. Give it time to work. Let's say 3 to 6 weeks. That is when you start seeing results. You need to be patient. But trust me, if you're looking for something that will clear your hyperpigmentation, this product is what you need. And this is how I use it, okay? Sometimes I use it in the morning and sometimes I use it at night. So after using it to wipe my face, as you can see, can you see? After using it to wipe my face, then I will go in with my essence. This is a very, very hydrating and soothing essence. I'm going to use this because when you're exfoliating your skin, you definitely need a lot of hydrating products, okay? You need to hydrate your skin as you are exfoliating your skin to avoid dryness, excess dryness, and irritation. So this is how I use my essence, and this essence is from the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. I love this essence so much because it provides my skin with the right amount of hydration that I need without clogging pores, okay? So yeah, this is exactly what you need while exfoliating your skin. You need hydrating properties, hydrating products, okay? So I'm going to let this sit on my face for at least 2 to 3 minutes, let it dry completely, and then I'll go in with my next product. This is the niacinamide serum from the Ordinary, 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc. This product stinks. Yeah, let me tell you the truth, it stinks, okay? So you have to provide your skin with that buffer before using this product, you guys. And I use just a little amount, very little amount. After applying my niacinamide serum, I'll be going in with another moisturizer. This particular one, this is the all-in-one Snail 92 cream from Cosrx. It has a little bit thicker consistency than this one is the essence and this one is the cream. I use this one first, okay, and then after the niacinamide serum, I'm going to be going in with this one. The reason is because this niacinamide serum from the Ordinary is formulated using high strength vitamins and minerals, really high strength, okay? So if you have sensitive skin, you may want to consider before going to get that niacinamide product from the Ordinary, because it stings a lot. Like, it stings. I've heard a lot of people say that it stings, so that is why I'm going to go in with another moisturizer, you guys. This is called the sandwich method, okay, where you use one moisturizer before using your serum and then using another moisturizer. So this one is going to soothe, you know, whatever effects I'm getting from the niacinamide serum. Like I always say, don't forget your neck and your hands. So I'm going to let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before going in with my next product. So now that the product is fully absorbed into my skin, as you can see, fully absorbed into my skin, I'll be going in with my sunscreen. I'm using sunscreen for protection. We already know that we need sunscreen during the day. Whether you're going out or not, you need sunscreen during the day, okay? So as for me, I'm not going out, but I'm going to be applying this sunscreen just because UV rays can penetrate even through your windows, so you just need to protect your skin somehow. All right, I'm going to blend this into my skin and we'll be back. Don't forget your hands as well. I am done for my morning skincare, and trust me, if you can follow this simple routine, you're going to get your hyperpigmentation cleared up very quickly. I mean, this product is magic in a bottle. I have used it, so I know. Can you see? This product is magic in a bottle. If you're looking for a product that will brighten your skin, be it your face or your body, get this product for yourself. This one is the max, like this is the big bottle. It also comes in a small bottle, so if you want, you can get this big one or you get the small bottle. But you guys, this is a game changer for me. This is my simple routine, morning routine that I use to clear hyperpigmentation from my body, and it is really effective, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have used this product before. What was your experience? Was it good for you or not? Let us know in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay glowing.